Hi there, Frank George here with my personal review of the Timekettle W4 Premium Pro Open Ear Professional AI Translation Earbuds. They are fantastic. If you seek outstanding crystal clear sound quality for simultaneous, real-time, bilingual, bidirectional, natural, and accurate communications, these are it. I use them daily, and I count on them for all my work, audio, and text translations, web calls, and yes, even listening to my music in off hours too. The W4 AI translation buds also have auto save of your communications. The software and app are completely amazing. They record your communications and even highlight key points. I frequently go back and want to see my previous notes, so this feature saves me time and energy too. I communicate with people daily that speak 4 different languages. English is my native language, so I need to hear it in that, but I communicate in Brazilian Portuguese for Brazil, Spanish for Latin America, and even Finnish for Europe. You see, I'm a consultant for a factory over there, so I need all 4 languages, minimum. I've found over the years that some folks just talk too fast in their native language, and I frequently miss out on words and slang terms sometimes. And some people mumble, or they speak too softly, but not a problem anymore. I use these W4 AI translation earbuds every day. They help me with voice calls, Teams calls, training events, online recorded messages, web videos, everything. I looked for a long time for an open ear quality, easy to use translator, and Timekettle is a leading global brand in AI translation earbuds. This company's vision is to help unite people of different languages around the world and cultures and break down language barriers with innovative technology. Here is why I personally chose these W4 translation earbuds, mostly for real-time accurate translations, and they're fast and 95% accurate. When I start my day out and I want to use the earbuds, I open up the case and I put one in each ear. That's for when I'm by myself. That's it, ready to go. When I'm going to do face-to-face translations, I'll put one on for listening, and I'll give the other one to the other person for speaking. They speak in their normal language, I hear it in English, my regular native language. It's amazing.
Estou muito feliz. Toda a nossa família está feliz. Tenho um netinho novo de 4 semanas. Ele é muito saudável e muito lindo, graças a Deus. Toda a família está muito feliz. I have a new 4-week-old grandson.
He is very healthy and very beautiful. Thank God the whole family is very happy.
Wow, that's exciting, and congratulations to you and your whole family. That's great.
Uau, isso é emocionante. Parabéns a você e toda a sua família. Isso é ótimo.
Fast and accurate real-time translations, and you can adjust the listening speed. Or I can translate a pre-recorded message, let's say on WhatsApp.
Frank, me consultan de Argentina por el tema de los documentos apostillados. ¿Estarán listos? ¿Se habrán despachado? ¿Me podrás mandar alguna información ya escaneada para mandárselo a ellos para adelantar?
Frank, I'm being consulted from Argentina about the issue of apostille documents. Will they be ready? Will they have been dispatched? Could you send me some scanned information to send to them in advance? Can you tell me how things are going to track where the documents are? Best regards, friend.
You'll get up to 6 hours of continuous translations, most of my day. And all my languages are covered, as I said. But they can also detect 93 accents and can translate up to 40 different languages. So when I go to most countries for a trade show or a live event or do a Teams or a Zoom call, I can listen in my own language. And they have noise reduction in the microphone and good overall sound quality. It's amazing. Open Ear's innovative design is another feature that I really love. It's comfortable. You can still hear what's going on all around you, and they don't block your ear canal either, like earbuds do. This product was designed to be hygienic and easy to use. Easy to put on, easy to take off. No one will be fearful to use it. It doesn't go into your ear. It has an open ear design, so it sits on the outside of your ear canal, not in it. Just give one to the other person, have them put it around their ear and adjust the microphone, and you're ready to chat in your own native tongue. People will be more confident, they'll be more happy, and more free to express themselves naturally with feelings and emotions too. Because as you know, everyone feels more comfortable and natural speaking in their own language, right? This AI translator solves the age-old desire to be able to understand anyone in any language. Whether you're on holiday visiting another country that speaks a different language than yours, or on an international video call with colleagues, or say your in-laws that speak a different language, this device takes all the hardship and stress out. Now, in the past, folks used text translators and they hired interpreters, or maybe they did hand signals. But with this AI translator, you're good to go. You know, there is such a desire to understand everyone that even in the movies, they've come up with a creative solution for people to be able to understand others from other cultures and countries. For example, in Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy movie, they used a Babel fish, a small yellow fish-like character that was placed in your ear, allowing a person to understand another language spoken. Well, I'm happy to say the Timekettle W4 Pro is now available to do just that. So the concept has been developed in this AI translator kit. These are designed with advanced parsing. That's a real fancy way to say that the AI software accurately analyzes what's being spoken, translates it highly accurately with AI semantic segmentation or grouping of messages. So it's like 95% accurate as you speak. And the text also puts on accents on the words. It's just amazing. You can also translate a pre-recorded message or a webinar and get the text translation as well.
Hi, good morning to you. The record in Searle is in the air.
Nos últimos 10 anos, a área destinada ao cultivo de amendoim no Brasil cresceu em
A
média.
group of Brazilian peanut producers, researchers, and business people visited the United States to learn about the peanut production chain over the past 10 years.
You can store audio, review, and export too. Oh, I can also take unexpected foreign calls too. With the W4 earbuds, I get the translations. These AI translation earbuds are really impressive. Fast translations and accurate in real time, which is the most valuable feature in my opinion, and the real reason why I got them and why anybody else would want them as well. With these earbuds, I can listen and respond and fully participate without missing a beat. The app is unbelievable. It's got so many features. The W4 Pro app is really well done. For instance, the top tab is telling me that my earbuds are connected and I've got 5 hours translation time left on my battery. Then there is a tab for offline translations. And then you have a button for one-on-one. So if you're going to converse with someone face-to-face, this is what you would use. As you can see here, I'm ready to go for Portuguese to English with my earbuds, and it's telling you which one is left and which one is right. Then listen and play. You would hold the microphone up to a recording that's in Portuguese, and it will translate into English. There's both a listening and a speaking tab. The second tab on the bottom is Discover. Let's say you want to go into the product encyclopedia and get a particular tutorial on how to connect your earbuds. The W4 Pro pairing and connecting tutorial is here. When you hit that tab, You will then get information in the language that you want to hear it in or see it in. And now it's telling you insert both earbuds into the charging case and good description of how to pair and connect. So you have how to use the simultaneous mode, how do I buy and use offline packages, those are for translation from one language to the next, how do you connect Bluetooth, how to use the speaker mode, and the W4 Pro pairing and connecting. Next tab is the AI translation. So there's a personal glossary, a human-like voice, AI character, and AI meeting summary tab. So a lot of your recordings will be in here that you can go to and look at in the future. And the last one is about me. For instance, I have some chats. There's a product encyclopedia, any orders if I order different packages, and there's a contact us button as well. And when you get yours, just slide off the cover and then open up the box, and inside, of course, you're gonna find both of the earbuds in their own protective case and a charging cable which goes right in, and all you have to do is plug it into your PC or a laptop or get an electrical connection for it. And then inside there are your communication connection documents. So when you open that up, you will see that there are two documents inside. One is a quick start W4 Pro kit, and the other one is frequently asked questions and answers. You're all set. And there's also customer service should you need it. And of course, you're gonna have to download the Timekettle app to be able to get all the features that I discussed and to pair your earbuds with your phone as well. Easy to do. You will wholeheartedly love these earbuds for both personal and professional use. The quality is just amazing. They're accurate, user-friendly, and you'll really get connected to the outside world. Think of the next time that you're going to travel. You'll be able to understand everything. That's priceless. So go ahead and visit the link below to learn more and to get yours.